me say this is Buster Boulevard here today reporting live for BoulevardBoyzz TV for a recent trending stop on Brazil says, and I'm here today with a very hungry vendor.
Yo, there from morning no bad man. And I know I can't make one sale in the dark. I'm telling you, brother, come like Brazil. Alright, tell the woman, mama, come in, man. You know on a Brazil,
No, sir, them there's something they stop
sure?
here. Yeah, them stop here long time, something there.
You see what me I talk about? No Brazil, don't want to know.
Nobody now wear Brazil again. Brush a shoot off away.
You see me? GFS, come talk to you, man. Tell you, man.
See that? Brazil now sell about 10 years or so. You don't get regular check designer body. Look on Jolly Couture, share luxury doll, Renee 630. You can't wear Brazil again. Every guy's a stiff breast gang. Girl, I joke up me, nipple so, never don't get on police. I'll shoot up me every day. You can't focus. Brazil now good now.
From Candy Unique and female giant girl. Then girl stop for Brazil, them out of fashion, a breast aware. A breast aware.
Brazil, see that a Brazil wear. So if you say
Yeah,
Brazil,
me there from man, I even make $100. Net even $100, could it?
All look like dress. We did it from how long and can't sell.
right now Victoria's Secret now sell, because nobody now buy.
I report off your backlash. I report off your backlash. What am I? I'm out of fashion right now.
Brazil now sell. Justice.
Brazil.
Yeah.
Brazil.
I really want that.